Top 5 Restoration Verses. Mended by Mercy. Number 1. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34, 2:18, NIV. Number 2. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 100, 47-3. Niv. No. 3. After you have suffered a little while, he himself, firm and steadfast. 1 Peter 5:10. Niv. Number 4. I will repay you for the years the locusts have eaten. Joel 2:25. Niv. And number 5. You turned my wailing into dancing. You removed my sackcloth and clothed me with joy. Psalm 32:11. Niv. Which verse speaks healing into your heart today? Comment your favorite and share to bring hope to the hurting.